Hey guys, welcome to another video by the Rocky School of Music. Today we're talking about the song Real Love by John Lennon from the Imagine soundtrack from 1989. So this song was kind of pieced together by McCartney and Harrison and Jeff Lynne and when they did the Beatles compilations in the late 90s. This song and Free as a Bird got kind of remade into full songs, even though they were kind of just in like demo state at the time. So this is from like a snippet of the original track that he did. The Imagine movie came out as kind of like a documentary about like Yoko and John Lennon in the late '80s. So this is the only where I could find is on the soundtrack, which is actually only on CD. Couldn't find it online anywhere, so it's really cool. Let's get into it, okay? So this is a straight eighth note rhythm. The whole song was just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So let's talk about the main chords in the verse. You have D, D major 7, B minor, and this kind of like odd bird chord here that's kind of, you know, some people would say this chord sounds out of tune if you're not used to hearing this kind of chord. This is an F augmented chord right here. So F augmented is if you know how to play an A minor chord, just move everything up. All the same fingers, same frets, you're just moving everything up one string. So it's like... So then it goes G, A sus4, A7, or A7 sus4, A7, D, G minor 6. So it's kind of a G minor change right there, but he doesn't play G minor with that bar chord, that root 6 bar chord there. He plays it with the second finger on the 3rd fret 6th string, nothing on the 5th string, open 4th, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret 3rd string, pinky on the 3rd fret 2nd string, and open 1st string. So I would call that a G minor 6. Another verse. Augmented. Now here's a new part, the B section of the verse. D, C9. C9 is second finger on the 3rd fret 5th, first finger on the 2nd fret 4th, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret 3rd, pinky on the 3rd fret 2nd string, and the open top string. Second time he does this, he goes, he bars his 3rd finger across the 2nd and 1st string, so it's... Okay, now this is really the chorus of the song. It's real, it's real. Sorry for that sloppy playing there. It's It's real, it's real. So that's a G6 right there. That's a kind of a Beatle chord. The Beatles used that chord kind of a lot. So it's a regular F shape. You move that up to G, and you put your pinky on the 5th fret 2nd string. That gives you G6. And then you move it up 2 frets. That gives you A6. Then he goes into like the solo part, which is just him whistling, right? So do that again. longer B section here, so watch this. C9. 4 times. Back to the final verse. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you haven't already subscribed, please take a second to subscribe if you want to see us do any future tutorials. Leave comments in the comment section below. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video. We'll see you later.